Alright guys, this is going to be a video of my Kmart by Lakewood S223. This fan I got from my neighborhood garage sale for $3. I figured, you know what, it's vintage, why not get it for $3? And I'm really happy I did because this is actually a really nice fan. I'm assuming the people who sold it must have used this in remodeling because there is a bunch of white paint that's splattered on it. I kind of tried to get it off, but to no avail. And the grills are, well, not in the best condition. They've seen better days. There's a lot missing at the bottom, but it's still presentable. I did attempt to clean it, although some of this dust is like stuck on there. I don't understand. And same for the blades in the back grill. And I did oil it because I thought that the low speed was going too slow, but I guess these must have really slow lows because this one's really nice and slow and quiet. I kind of like that. So we'll go ahead and start it off on low first. Okay, here's medium. And here's high. Off. And I'll get a startup sound when it stops. I think it has a startup sound. It's very quiet, but I think it's there. Yeah, it's kind of a quieter one. But that is my Kmart Lakewood S223. Thank you for watching.